In my last video, I shared with you unique bases or stands for your bottle brush trees. Today, I'm going to show you another way that you could get these stands for pretty inexpensive. Besides, I mean, they're inexpensive anyway because they're just, well, mostly candlesticks. But I want to show you a way that you could get some really cool, unique pieces if you can't find cool, unique candlesticks. So my neck of the woods, it's very hard to find like brass candlesticks or any like or iron candlesticks or whatever. It's just they're gone or very expensive. So I went to the thrift store and I found a lamp. First time at the thrift store, first lamp. I'm so excited to show this to you guys. And you are going to help me take it apart and get some really cool things out of it. So here is the lamp. This would have gone with my decor maybe like 20 years ago. It's cute though. So we are going to, first off, I should have just let the lampshade at the thrift store because I'm not going to use it, but it could become, I could turn into something maybe eventually. But how cute is this topper? So one of my favorite vintage stores I go to, she creates the cutest trees out of the most unique things. She's like, all you need is just random stuff for a tree topper. So I think that's what this is going to be. Okay, and I even got a light bulb out of it, which is great. This is a nifty light bulb. I don't know if you guys could see that. I don't know what that is. I'm going to have to check that out with something else. Oh, it has how like much light I want on it. That's pretty cool. Never knew those existed. Okay, and then these are always great to keep for another time. Always use those because there's so many lamps that don't come with those. And now we're just going to start unscrewing things and hope this thing comes apart. But as you can see, there are so many pieces, and I'm curious how many pieces I'm going to be able to use for bottle brush trees or other trees, or even throughout the rest of my decor throughout the rest of the season. Okay, we got our pliers. And in order to take these apart, so you're going to have to like find where it's twisting and then twist the opposite way and make that hold that. I don't know if you could see that down here, but lamps are all made differently. This lamp has a cord right here with the bolt. I'm going to try to twist that bolt off as while holding the rest of it so it doesn't twist with the bolt. Otherwise, I'm not doing anything. Okay, I got the bolt off. And now there should be a rod that goes through this whole thing. So I am just going to work on taking the rest of this off. There's actually, oh, see that? There's actually a bolt up here as well, which I think if we were to hold this, not drop that pretty light, and go the opposite way, we'll be able to take the rest of it off coming this way. Otherwise, I could take it all off going down, but if I want to be able to save that cord, I think I want to. Either way, I think I'm going to have to break this cord. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to cut it because it won't go this way unless it's cut. And I might as well just take everything off this way and not deal with that. So that's the next step. Need to grab some scissors. Okay. All right. I'm pretty sure I didn't need scissors. I totally forgot I had these. So I'm just going to cut the cord with this, which is probably going to work way better than these cheap scissors because I couldn't find the good scissors. And now I'm just going to pull this through. Oh, hello, more bolts. Look at that stand. How perfect is this going to be for a bottle brush tree? I am going to use this one. Reminds me of the Eiffel Tower. I don't know why. This, or yeah, we're going to figure that out. Or just any greenery. It's going to be perfect. Okay, next one is this. This is going to be so cute. Look at that. It like has its feet by itself. It is so darling. Okay, next piece. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I mean, it stands on its own. Ugly. It's a huge chunk of marble or granite or I don't know what stone. Agate, something. This is the other one that I was excited for. Oh, perfect. Okay, so I got 3 really cute pieces out of this one lamp. This lamp was more than I wanted to pay. It was $8. I was like, okay, if it was five, I totally get it. But then I realized that I could get at least three pieces out of it, and the $8 was totally worth it. When I recently bought something similar to this for 25. Yeah, don't judge me. I really wanted it. So now I'm going to be off. I know I shouldn't be dismantling all these beautiful lamps, but I might. I just might. Okay, so I will turn these into some really cute trees in a second and show it to you. Okay, before I show you the after, I figured I should show you how I do this. Most of y'all who are probably going to do this, as I did, you're going to put this in here and just assume it's going to stay, and it's not. So I'm actually really okay with putting whatever I want in these holes because they're not going to be put back into a candlestick like my other ones. My other ones, I was doing foam. I'm going to try floral foam this time as well. And so what I'm going to do is just literally stick and floral foam, luckily, or this one's a styrofoam one, not quite foam. It's foam, right? You just stick it right inside the hole, okay? And if it gets pushed through, then just stick some more on the other side. But that should do the trick, just like that. So if you have a smaller hole, you're going to want to cut the foam to fit-ish, but you want it kind of tight, truthfully, because I just slam it in there. And see, that's pretty good now. We'll take this one out so I can show you, and boom. I mean, you'll try to make it not so wonky. See, if that happens, put more in it. You just stuff that baby full like it's a turkey, okay? There we go. Perfect. Likewise with this one. This one is huge, right? So I am probably going to go, not the hole, but the tree. This one I think might look kind of silly, truthfully, with the bottle brush tree. We're going to try it for you real quick while I have it going. But I think I'm going to put greenery in this one and have like a splay, or even if it's just like a faux green tree. I think I might do that. This still reminds me of the Eiffel Tower. So funny. We went there in April, and so I think my mind's set on that. So I'm just going to keep stuffing it until I know that it's good. There we go. I'm not sure I love that or not. I'm going to display it and we'll see if we like it. Otherwise, it might turn into some greenery instead.